Hello, everybody. Today's topic is about the HIV virus. It targets alters immune system and increasing the risk and impact of other infections. So without treatment, it will progress to AIDS. Okay. So it's very simple. What HIV does, it target करता है. It target करता है. It alters immune system. Okay. Immune system. Okay. And then after immune system, other infections will be there and diseases. So without treatment, what will happen? AIDS. So it's very simple, targeting the altering immune system, increasing risk of other infections. And without the treatment, what will happen? It will progress to advanced stage, जिसको कहते हैं AIDS. So if HIV not treated early, AIDS will occur. Okay, so early treatment of HIV is necessary to prevent AIDS. When HIV is there, only then AIDS will come. Otherwise AIDS अपने आप नहीं होता. Okay, HIV, HIV is the initiative. So this is the diagram of the HIV. Okay, the adenovirus. This is the diagram. Okay, this virus. What's simple? It's not so tough. Just take the screenshot for your easiness. So mainly it is surrounded with this reverse transcriptase glycoproteins, 41 120. It has of course it's it's and microorganisms, cell membrane to hota hai, so it's a membrane. And then it has this thing, P17 proteins, you can call P6, P24, and it has the P7, and then it has protease also, then it has integrase. So once again I'm just saying कि it is very simple. क्या क्या होता है? It has reverse transcriptase, it has glycoproteins, and then glycoprotein 41 120. It has cell membrane, of course. Without cell membrane you can't call it as a virus. It has protein 17, 6, 24, and it has protease integrase. Okay, now HIV full form क्या है? It is a human immunodeficiency virus, attacks this thing, CD4 cells. Okay, and these are the T cells. We call them white blood cells that circulate, detecting infections throughout the body and false anomalies in the other cells. So after targeting CD4 cells, it creates more copies of virus. Okay, so in doing so, it destroys the cells, reduces the body's ability to combat other infections and diseases, and this increases the risk of impact of opportunistic infections and other types of cancer. ठीक है ना? So it's very easy. Full form क्या है इसकी? Human immunodeficiency virus, HIV की. Or of course it will attack CD4 cells. And CD4 cells क्या हैं? They are T cells. Okay, the white blood cells. Okay, so of course these cells, T cells, they they detect infections throughout the body, false and anomalies other cells. And after targeting CD4 cells, जैसे ही इसने टारगेट किया तो क्या करेगा? कॉपीज़, मोर वायरस ऑफ कॉपीज़ बनाएगा. ठीक है ना? So after making so many copies of virus, it destroys the cells, reduces body's ability, and to combat other infections, diseases. So after making copies of virus, reduces, this thing destroys other cells and all diseases will come. और जब ज़्यादा diseases होती हैं तो opportunistic infections भी हो सकते हैं और cancer. So it's very simple. ठीक है, very simple concept of HIV, targeting CD4 cells, the T cells. These T cells destroy the body, so other infections will occur plus cancer. Okay, so main attack क्या करता है? CD4 cells को करता है attack, जिसको हम T cells बोलते हैं, the white blood cells that circulate in the body. Okay. Now the classification is always tough. कोई भी disease के classification पर it's tough. So mnemonics बना लेते हैं हम लोग. Okay, So जैसे कैंडिडियासिस, द ग्रुप 1 लीजन्स एसोसिएटेड विद HIV इन्फेक्शंस, जो लीजन्स, ओके, जब HIV होता है तो क्या क्या इंसान में होता है, कौन कौन से लीजन्स होते हैं. तो पहले तो ग्रुप 1 है, इसको कैंडिडियासिस होते हैं, जिसमें आई हैव मेड द निमोनिक पाहा. पाहा पाहा मतलब पी से स्यूडोमेम्ब्रेनस, ए से एट्रोफिक, एच से हाइपरप्लास्टिक, ए से एंगुलर चिलाइटिस. सो HIV होगा तो कौन कौन से लीजन्स होंगे, कैंडिडियासिस होगा, जिसमें कैंडिडियासिस के अंदर यू विल गेट पाहा. ओके, देन अगर कोई पर्सन हैज़ HIV, सो ही विल शो साइंस ऑफ हेरिलिकोप्लेकिया, कार्पोसिस सार्कोमा भी विल बी देयर, and non-Hodgkin's lymphoma, and some periodontal diseases will be there, जिसमें से you have the linear gingival erythema, the NUS, necrotizing ulcerative stomatitis, and the NUG. Okay, NUG, so necrotizing ulcerative gingivitis. So it's very simple. The group 1 lesions. Okay, so strongly associated with the HIV infections, you have candidiasis, and along with candidiasis you have the PAHA. PAHA में you have the pseudomembranous and atrophic, hyperplastic enteritis, and you have the Hairily-Coplacia, Kaposis sarcoma, non-Hodgkin's lymphoma, and the periodontal diseases. Okay, so ये क्या है? What is this? What I am explaining? I am explaining about the lesions, group 1 lesions, which are associated with HIV infections. Okay, so if a person suffering from HIV infections can show, may have the chances of these, can show the chances of these infections. Okay, yeah. You have the group 3 lesions हैं, जिसमें group 3 lesions में you have the bacterial infections. Then you have bacterial infections में कौन कौन से bacteria involve होते हैं, Escherichia coli, E. coli, Klebsiella pneumonia, cat scratch disease, drug reactions. Okay, and fungal infections other than candidiasis. So fungal infections यही है, Cryptococcus neoformans, Histoplasma capsulatum, neurologic disturbances, facial palsy, trigeminal neuralgia, recurrent aphthous stomatitis, viral infections, cytomegalovirus, molluscum contagiosum. Okay, molluscum contagiosum. So ये है HIV infections, group 3 lesions. Okay, तो ग्रुप 3 लीजन्स में जो HIV इन्फेक्शंस होते हैं, तो अगर जैसे इफ़ अ पर्सन सफरिंग फ्रॉम HIV इन्फेक्शंस may also have some, there will be some bacterial infections due to E. coli and all, Klebsiella pneumonia, cats, and there will be drug reactions, there will be fungal infections, there will be neurological disturbances like facial palsy भी, and trigeminal neuralgia भी हो सकता है, or recurrent aphthous stomatitis, viral infections, cytomegalovirus, molluscum. So for your comfort, for your easiness, mnemonics I haven't done, but you can understand bacteria, fungal infections, and viral infections, aphthous stomatitis, neurological disturbances. How does it happen? मतलब how transmission occurs? It's very simple actually. Mainly, of course, the HIV infections mainly through fluid and liquids. Okay, like blood ke through, from the semen. Okay, or pre-seminal fluid from the vaginal fluids, like or from the rectal fluids, the breast milk. So ऐसे ही हो सकता है. Transmission is if a person infected with HIV, अगर उसका blood low, so there will be chances of HIV. And then if you semen and all during the what can I say, during sexual intercourse with an HIV person, okay,